Okay, here's my screencast-o-matic of the floor plan, the beginning of it. So I've opened up some basic um, features. When you look at symbols, you can go into the plans in engineering, and you can open up a whole lot more. So in addition to the wall and doors and windows, and I think kitchen and dining room were open initially, I've opened up bedroom and bathroom because I wanted to kind of design those. So as you can see here, I've added some windows and furniture and doors and played around with swinging them the right way and some pony walls and things like that. So this is pretty fun. The only problem I've got so far is the dimensions don't quite add up. Let me play around with it some more. Okay, I've done some more added features, opened up some more um, symbols that I included. So things like the north, the stairs, added a little pot plant there, got a chair, have a carpet in the bedroom. So again, the more you open, the more you can clutter this up. But pretty fun to play around with. So I might try to use this a little bit. I use another software program that does floor plans, but it's really hard to work with. So I like the drag and drop feature. I just wish I could figure out the dimensions better. Um, so fun stuff to play around with.